With Nano Banana, you can generate ultra-realistic images. I personally use this AI tool to create this result you are seeing right now, and it is currently competing with the biggest image generators out there. And this result you are seeing right now is 100% powered by Nano Banana. So stick with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to access Nano Banana, and I'm going to show you the amazing things this AI tool can do. You can access Nano AI through Google AI Studio. Just go to the Google AI Studio website. If you don't have an account, just create a new one with your Gmail account. Just click on the Nano Banana and you should start your prompting. Right now, I am on Google AI Studio. To start using Nano Banana, all I need to do is click here and I can start prompting straight away. Here is an image of a canned drink. I'm going to give it this exact prompt. Showcase this mods on a sleek silver floor and all that. So once I type that, I just click on the yellow send button and wait for it to generate. In just a few seconds, the result is ready. Look at this, clean and very professional and ready for use. From here, I can download it immediately, or I can keep prompting it if I want more variations. For example, if I want to change the floor, I simply enter a new prompt and click send and wait again for the magic to happen. And just like that, another amazing result. This is proof that AI is now taking marketing design to the next level, and Nano Banana is doing it with no stress at all. Everything depends on the quality of your prompt. Now, here is the next image. This time it is of a male model. I sketched this one earlier and I'm going to give it a new prompt. The prompt says, make him hold the Malta Guinness can standing on a polished wooden floor with a warm wood wall and all that. So I will click on send. I'm going to wait a bit and now the result is ready. Look at that. The model is now holding the can. From here, I can even switch it up to different styles depending on the campaign. You can see how AI generated UGC is moving to the next level with Nano Banana. So let's take it further. Here is another image of the same model, but this time he is with a motorbike. So I will give it this new prompt. So make him sit on the bike on a bustling highway and all that. So I'm going to give you this exact prompt. I'm going to click on send and waiting. So and now look at the results. The vibe matches exactly what I described in the prompt. So you can see how powerful Nano Banana is. With just a few lines of text, it delivers premium quality visuals that normally take hours to edit. It is all changing fast. All you need is the right idea, right prompt, and the right AI tools. So do you want to know how to access all the AI tools for free in just one single app? Then click the video on your screen right now to discover how it works and start using them today. See you on the next one.